What's up, everyone, and welcome back to another amazing property tour. In today's tour, we are looking at this fully renovated North Arlington home just a few blocks to the East Falls Church Metro and Tuckahoe Park. This house is 5 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, about 3,000 square feet total, and also has a flat fenced-in backyard. The home is being offered at $1.295 million and is listed with Kathy Warwick of Remax Gateway. So if you're looking for a renovated split-level house in North Arlington, close to parks and the metro, then be sure to give this video a full watch. Also, if you'd like to tour this house or any others, or have any questions about buying or selling in the Arlington and DC areas, then reach out to me anytime. All my contact information is below. Now sit back and enjoy the tour. right, so you've made it to the end of this property tour. And if you're interested in setting up a showing for this house or any others around Arlington or DC, all my contact information is below and feel free to reach out anytime. Also, be sure to watch some other property tour videos on my channel. We cover a lot of different houses in Arlington and the surrounding areas. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.